Okay, going to do a little video on how to operate a Kabota U35-4. Okay, so the door, let me zoom you guys out a little bit. The door, got a handle here, handle there, handle here obviously, but it's going to lock back in here, so it's out of the way when you don't need it. So how do you get it unlatched from there? Okay, you got a little lever right here. Okay, there you go. This is the handle for if you're in the inside. It doesn't work on the outside latch. Okay, you climb in. First thing you're gonna see is obviously your seat, foot pedals here. Those control backwards, forwards, turning your tracks. Those just have to do with tracks. Here you have your safety lever. That has to be down, otherwise you will not move anywhere. Put that up. It's kind of like your parking brake, you might say. Okay, climb in. It's a little chilly, as you guys can probably see today. So I'm going to close this up. Okay, so first thing you're going to want to do, come down here, see the key right here, turn that, let the glow plugs warm up for a little bit, especially when it's cold out. You know, you don't want to start these diesels up too fast. Okay, there you go. Started. Obviously you have your heat, AC, fan speed, your windshield washer fluid, your throttle, kill switch, lights. We don't need those. Okay, so this handle here, okay, well, let's put this guy down. This handle here controls your boom. So that's the main mast back, main mast forward. That's that. The bucket, like that. Okay. So that's what that does. That's what that stick's for. This stick is for the secondary mast, out, and in. Okay, and then the side to side is moving your cab around on top of the tracks. As you can see, tracks are staying straight along with your blade, which I'll show you how to move that in a second. Your blade is moved by this guy. Okay, down is obviously going to be down. Okay, up is going to be pulling your blade up. Okay, that's pretty self-explanatory. Now these guys, you can either use your foot, your feet, go forward, turn. You know, obviously, if you let up on your right, you're going to go to the left, because that track's not driving anymore. Both forward, or a lot of people just use their hands. Hands are usually more sensitive, obviously. They can move a little more delicately. So yeah, throttle control. Obviously you got all your stuff on there you don't really mess with, unless, you know, you're doing something, changing the settings for some reason, but most of the time you don't have to do anything with that. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. This guy, main mast up, main mast up, main mast down, and then bucket, bucket curl, bucket dump. Obviously, yeah, you got horn there. And this is secondary mast, out, and back. Okay, out, back. And then this guy, this pedal here, is if you want to move your whole, like let's say you're digging on an angle. You want your bucket to be way over here, so you can dig like that, or the other way. So you can dig more like that out of the cab. If you can see that. But I mean, if you're just digging a straight trench and you got plenty of room, more than likely you're not going to have to worry about that. But it's there if you need it. Definitely come in handy for tighter areas to get into. But yeah, not necessary for us. We're just digging a septic line from the house to the septic tank right there, so we're not going to need that. And then before you get out, idle down or whatever, pull this back. So this is go, this is stop, and then turn the key off, hop out. Obviously your fuel right here. It's your rear engine compartment. Here's your oil dipstick, oil fill, oil filter, all that good stuff, air filter, all that good stuff. That's how that is. So that's how you drive the U35-4 by Kabota. Thanks for watching.